Hey guys, it's a gloomy day today. Gloomy. No rain yet, but it's pretty gloomy. Yeah, so today is Friday, September 11th. This is a 9/11 Memorial Day. And I think it's been 19 years. Yeah, 19 years. That's crazy. I remember that day like it was yesterday. I was in 8th grade. It was picture day. We had band practice that day. Like my friends were like a mess. I remember that day. Today I have, well, today Cam and I are going to Northeast Ohio to my parents' house because I work up in Northeast Ohio this whole weekend. So when I work up there, I like to bring Cam so that he can spend time with mommy and daddy and Junior. My mom watches him during the day while I'm at work, so it works out for everybody. I just needed to do some errands before we left, and I'll probably leave. Right now it's almost 1 o'clock, and I'll probably leave around 5 so I can get there around 7 o'clock before it starts to get dark. I hate driving at night when it's dark and I can't see. I have astigmatism, so at nighttime when like lights are like glaring in my face and stuff, like it just blurs my vision and I can't see that well. So, and also I hate deer. I hate driving at night because of that also. So yeah, so I need to go to Meijer to pick up some, I need a couple food stuff for Cam and for myself, and then I need to get something I need to get like a shirt at Meijer, or if they don't have it there, I have to get it at Target. And then those robes that I dropped off last time, I need to go pick them up because they're ready. And then I need to drop off some other things for printing as well. So, and that's it. I'm trying to decide if I want to get Panera or not, but I want to. I probably will because I haven't eaten yet today because I've been fasting, so I think it's alright to do Panera. Oh, damn. I'm right in the middle of the street. I'm about to put on my sunglasses when I drove out the garage, but then I just realized that it's definitely not sunny, so I will not be needing my sunglasses. My mom was wearing it last weekend and I was like, I didn't even get to wear these yet. I haven't even launched them. But yeah, but I wanted to, I think I already mentioned this before, but they're really cute. I love them. Like, I don't want to be seen. It's Friday. Oh, I wonder if today's payday. I like never, this year's been so busy that I literally never remember when payday is. Cause like before, I would always know what when payday was, you know, like I just always paid attention. But this year has been so busy that I literally never remember when payday is. And then like when I sign into my bank account, I need to like transfer money or something, I'm like, oh, where'd I get all this money? And I'm like, oh, today's payday. Didn't even know. So I will check today if today's payday. All my Fridays are just messed up. Okay, perfect. Yep, today was payday. Yahoo. All right, Cam's birthday stuff. I have everything planned out for his first birthday. We're gonna do a theme that, you know, he likes. You guys have kind of paid attention to like Cam and like my videos and my posts lately. You kind of know like what kind of things he likes. But I ordered things I need to order, and I out of like Amazon, and then the stuff I needed on Amazon, it's in my cart. So I just need to like pay for it. I just want to put everything in there just so I make sure I have everything. And then I need to find a bakery to do cake, cookies. Actually, just cake, because I might just do, actually, let me see if Meijer does cakes. Yeah, let me choose if Meijer does cakes. If I do cake, I can do cake, cookies, and cupcakes. I don't need to get too much because we're doing a virtual party, so people might come over, like family might come over, but I'm not sure like how many, so I'm not even gonna worry about. I just want to just get the whole scene looking nice for, like, you know, virtual party and stuff like that, so people will be looking at something. For pictures, I might call my photographer. I don't know if I should call my photographer to take pictures, or if I should just do it myself. But let me just get my photographer, because then I don't have to worry about, because the one thing about like content creating and taking pictures and love, like I love taking pictures and I love being in pictures, is that the times when you don't have someone to help you, it's like so annoying, so annoying. So I do want to see if I should just tell her to come and do pictures from the party, which I would love. I would love that, because then I don't have to worry about, because it's like I don't want to worry about, you know, just everything, because I have to worry about the live stream to make sure that it's going to be going right and it's connected and all that. So I don't want to be like doing too much. I get just overwhelmed sometimes. So I probably will call her and ask her if she's available so she can do pictures, which I'm excited. So yeah, my hair today is wearing my baying with my scarf today, because I don't know, I just wanted to. I just wanted to. Mommy's calling me. Okay. We good, we comfy, we Gucci, let's go. This here. Alright, I'm gonna put you guys in my bag so that I have hands. Can you see me? Okay. It's actually cold. It's actually cold outside today. I should have worn a hoodie. I should have worn a hoodie. Alright. We are in the store. Applesauce. So we have like 25 minutes left on our drive. Just a 2-hour drive, so it's not bad. Cam has been, I think, let's see how long. He slept for like an hour. Let's say an hour and a half. No, he slept for an hour and 45 minutes. Yeah. That's wrong. No, he slept for 45 minutes. 45 minutes, yes. 45 minutes to an hour. So he's been up. He's just playing. He has his cup in his lap, so he's been drinking his juice and all that stuff. So he's been good. It's a beautiful day. As I said, it was muggy earlier. And I did pick up my Panera earlier, and I did pick up the roads that had printed, so they look beautiful. I've already sent them out, so we're all caught up for orders. If there's any orders that do come, well, actually, I think there was a couple. I think Chris actually might mail some tomorrow, today or tomorrow for me, but other than that, I'm as caught up as I can be before leaving the house. So we're almost there. Yeah, and like weekends, well, every time I work, it's just me that works open to close. There's no pharmacist overlap, so it's always a long day for me. And then when I work on Thursdays, it's a long day. Those are 14-hour shifts. Oh my gosh, from like 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. But this weekend, they're a little bit shorter. It's from it's 8, either 8 or 9 to 9. And then Sunday they close at 6. Yes, Sundays close at 6. So yeah, so I love like taking time during like a drive like this to either listen to a podcast, and then like, you know, think of business ideas, like go through business stuff in my head, just go through things, thinking of like ideas, things I need to restock, you know, ideas. Oh, maybe I should bring this back, or do this, do it, like, you know, what can I improve, what can I do differently. So I love to think to myself. I love, you know, time away from like everything else going on, to just be isolated in a car and just think, you know. I feel like all my great ideas that I've had with my projects have come when I've isolated myself and let myself just think, run through ideas, envision things. With the way my mind works, I can envision things very well, as if they're lifelike, as if I've seen them before. So I always need just nice good time just to be clear and think. So as I said, my best idea, my best projects have always come about when I've isolated myself and just let myself think of ideas. So let myself run through my own mind, you know. So we're almost there, Cam. Almost there. Almost there, okay? You have a good time with Grandma? We're about to leave. Head back on the road. You had fun with Gran and Uncle Junior and Grandpa?
Yeah.
Let me give him some milk before we leave so he has a full belly. Because it's been some hours since he had breakfast, so. Hello, hello. Happy Tuesday. We are back in Columbus. I have to go and get some, I'm doing like light groceries. That's what I call it, light groceries today. And then I think I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx because I still need more hangers for my closet. They got me, guys. I got pulled over by the police. Thought I was gonna die, but I'm alive. Alive to see another day. I hate when, like, it's crazy that it's just like when the police get you, in my mind I'm just like, is this it? Like, that's sad. I'm like, is this it? Is this how it goes down? But I'm alive, we thank God. But that police officer had an attitude though. He was like, ma'am, is this your car? And I'm like, bitch, it is. I didn't say that. I was like, no. That's not good to say. This hair is so curly. I was like, bitch, it is. Okay. This hair is so cute. All right, we're at the grocery stores. Oh, this hair is so nice. Look at this. Oh. I love it. So we're at the grocery stores, about to go in. Let's go. All right, Cam got his first birthday present. Come on, Cam, let's open our present. Let's open, look. Okay, I'll open it for you. Look, open it. Have him sit in my lap. Okay. This says, happy birthday, baby Cam from Auntie Erica.
Come on.
Focus. Finally, 5 hours later. All right. All right, let's see what it is. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, baby, you wouldn't even believe. No, he wants my camera. Babe, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Spit, Cam.
Oh my God, that is great. Cam, you about to run? Let me get some. Okay. Yeah, your gift. Yes.
Cam, this is your gift, and you're only concerned about my camera. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Get out. Just don't kiss people.
I mean, I don't know. I'm trying to kiss you, not people.
I'm over here.
Okay.
Happy birthday, babe.
Thank you.
Happy 21st birthday.
Yep. It's 21?
21?
No.
25?
It's 22.
Okay. So we're doing Chris's birthday and then we're getting ready for Cam's birthday. So
right, no, we're not doing my birthday. We're getting ready for Cam's birthday on my birthday.
This is what you wanted, right?
Yes, this is how it's supposed to be.
All right. So this battery is dying too. I'll just let it run until it dies.
Original bad man. And me get this song for them. Lego. Original bad man. His body baby.
It's FAQs.
Standard. Catching that vibe. Me and my guys we are fit.
Okay. I've been blowing up balloons. Look how many balloons we got. It smells like balloons in here. Okay, making progress. Yeah, this is time consuming. Definitely didn't think about that. Even with the pump, the electric pump, and you have, I already hurt a nail. I may not ever do this again. Seriously. But we're making progress. So I'm about to string them on the thing and then see how that goes. Alrighty.
Me and my guys, we are feeling alright. Feeling the groove, dancing like we ain't got nothing to lose. Another bottle done go down. Me and my guys never slow down.
All right, here's my progress. I have where's the thing? Here is my garland. So I'm gonna start putting it up and see how it is, and then I'll add the extra little balloons.
Them girls, no one calm down. We be going from short to short now. Top of me want my knee. They wanna put me on the display, but me I know send. Make them watch me on the TV. Want my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me.
I don't even know what time it is. But this is the finished celebration. Looks beautiful. I love it. I got a little banner over here, so. Oh, and then let me show you the little fringe. We're really in the forest. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Oh my gosh, I did it. I am exhausted, like beyond exhausted. Let me see what time it is. Oh. I started at I don't even know what time. I think I started at like it's either 7:30. It's 1:30, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. That was 6 hours. I'm never doing that ever again. At least by myself, because that was just the food.
Oh na na na, Youngbodzy. Let's go. Come make we go. Whoa. Come make we go. Yeah. Come make we go. Whoa. Come make we go. I'm ready now. Oh my lady, it's me and you together. Say we go last forever in any kind of weather. When you dance, they make me they go low. Say your moves, they make me go loco, go loco, aye. Say I don't mind what you do, you will always be my boo. Yeah, yeah. Say I don't mind what they say, we can make it if we try. Yeah, 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 yeah. The way you moving that body, it make me want to throw it.
Before he. You're so cute though.
I will send me home anyway.
Yeah. Are you getting him?
Yes, I will send me home. Are you on mute?
Oh, you are one too. He's so cute. Oh, look at that face.
Okay, they're taking pictures.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's take a picture. Here, sit down. On your beautiful setup. Yeah. Okay.
Everybody is shining.
Okay.
Let me see.
Yeah, Cam is outside. He's afraid of his balloons, so he won't stay in the house. But he's outside and then he's running around. Hi, Angela.
Why is everybody making all this noise?
Yeah, so Oh, you do?
Yeah, I'm doing so we're having a little party.
Oh, that's so nice. Yeah, so I blew up the balloons all last night. And so the whole house, and there's balloons all over the floor everywhere. So when he came downstairs, he looked and then he started crying because everywhere looked different. So he's been crying all day. But at least he had his nap. So he just woke up from his nap. So at least he's not tired. So yeah, but it's been these balloons are, he's scared of them so bad.
You know, birthdays are not for the kids.
It's not.
Yeah,
we put all this effort in for just ourselves. Is that what it is?
They'll start liking birthday from maybe year 3, year 4.
Yeah.
You know, when they get the meaning.
Yeah.
Right now, it's probably gonna spook him.
Oh yeah, definitely. And then we have these huge panda bears on the wall, so he's like afraid of them.
Hey, look at, I mean, it's like he wakes up and he doesn't even recognize his own house.
No. How are you guys?
I thought I saw you walking around.
You, Jay. Hey, your crew.
I saw you walking around in the background, and I'm like, what is she doing there? You're supposed to be on Zoom.
Yes, I'm everywhere. How are you guys?
Yeah.
Wow, is that Erica? Oh, welcome. Is that Ton?
Here.
Is that my Ton? Who is behind? Is that Nello? Nello, you are hiding. You can't be hiding. Oh, Mighty Mike.
The whole screen.
Eh?
I don't know. Maybe because I'm in the front, so everybody.
Yes, I can see them now.
Yeah.
Oh, if you baby,
No,
you're
I'm
there.
trying to push the camera so I can everybody. Yeah, and it's in there too.
Oh, you see? Oh, Eza Mansa.
Everybody.
Eza Mansa, you're there. He's scared of all these decorations here. He's scared.
Why is he looking at that?
You guys, is that okay? It's okay.
Are you okay? I can hear you now. How are you? Good. How our class is going? Okay. We're all online.
Okay. See you. Inky, are you there?
Right?
Point.
I got it.
Good. Wow. Do you know what color is your paperclip? Auntie Chica, what color is your paperclip?
Clip? I didn't want to touch it.
All right. The next item is a bottle of shampoo. Brittany! Wow.
Some peppers, his chicken. Okay.
All right, the next one is a book.
What?
A book. Oh, Junior.
Yeah. You want that?
All right. Junior got that point. All right, the next one is a newspaper.
What?
Newspaper. Oh my gosh, it's ridiculous. I'm like on Facebook Live with family. I'm on YouTube Live with you guys. This is the decor. Hope you guys like it. Cam was afraid of his balloons, so he's been crying. It was hard to get anything done, but hopefully I took a picture of the cake before it's been cut. We have balloons everywhere. Look at this. So we're all outside, about to do a cookout. The neighborhood kids are here, so. So part 2 of our celebration is going on. We're having our cookout now. I need to wake up Cam from his nap because he had a little nap, a little 1-hour nap because I had him wake up early for the party at 2 o'clock, so. Fit. Let's go find your shoes. My hair is all types of crazy today. Oh my gosh. Your mama getting old. Road trip. Yahoo! Sorry, I am extra crusty today. Yeah, I was totally had the plan to like do my makeup, put on the dress, and be cute today for the road trip. But yeah, obviously that didn't happen, of course. yeah, it's just always a mess. Always a struggle to get out the house, but we are out. So we're on our way to Pittsburgh to visit Nky and my cousin Cordelia. She just got engaged. You guys have seen her many times in my vlog. So we're gonna meet her fiance and we're gonna have a good time. We're gonna have so much fun, and I think her sister too, her twin sister, is coming as well. So I think it's gonna be fun. Yay, I'm so excited. Cam is in the back. Cam, you back there? Let's see if you can see Cam. Look at my Cammy baby. Cam. He's ready for a nap. Usually anytime we do like a road trip or like long drive, I like to always make sure that we leave at his nap time so he can sleep as much as he can like on the road, so that he's not cranky when we get there and stuff like that, and it'll be a nice drive. So it's exactly 1 o'clock. I actually, like, with all the stuff that's been going on and how I didn't get to do my makeup or my hair or my outfit for today, it's 1 o'clock and we're leaving right on time. Thank you, Jesus. All right, let's go. I ordered Panera, so we're gonna pick that up when we're heading out. Phone's there, electronics. I'm so excited because Chris is driving, so I can find, I've updated my iPhone, but I didn't get to do all the fancy stuff that everyone is doing. So now my road trip, I'm like, I'm gonna do my iPhone like everybody else. Catch up on some emails, do some things, get ready for, I'm speaking at 2 different conferences or like live chats tomorrow. One is for minority pharmacists in America. Speaking of that, I gotta do my Instagram post for today. And the other one is for Igbo Lights USA. So I'm excited, it's gonna be so fun. It's been beeping, looking for the key.
Oh. And it says to turn off all the lights.
Okay. Then you close the window.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm putting my sunglasses. Is that bad? Oh, my battery's dying. All right, let's go.
So I'm picking up the Panera?
Yes.
Which one is it?
The one here by Johnny Nico.
Okay, that one. Close to Chipotle, right?
Yeah. Well, let me just wait till this dies. We have to get gas.
Yeah, that's true. We have to get gas.
Make sure I have my wallet. Yeah, I have my wallet.
I have my wallet too.
Make sure you have your wallet when we stranded. You see it?
No, let me check. Got everything looking.
Do you know where you would look for it?
There's nothing here that is probably. Okay, yep.
You have
I
it?
know I put everything in the car, yeah. It's right here. Good?
You want to keep it down there?
Yeah. I just wanted to show you. So.
All right, now we're on the road. We didn't forget anything, right?
Yeah, we didn't forget Cam. We're good.
Cam, you here?
He's not Kevin.
Kevin.
Home Alone.
Oh. Let me angle this so we can see you. There, that's better. See, now I can see ya.
It's hot today.
Yeah.
That's strange. It's passed out.
That was fast. I have to put music on.
Yeah, I'll put music. Yeah, you charge everything. Let's go to.
Yeah.
When's the second one?
I have to look. I don't remember.
That's the money makers, man. I just got meetings, you know. Nobody wants to meet you.
Somebody messaged me about doing like a conference thing, and they were like, just send us your rates. I was like, rates?
Yeah, it's a big thing, man.
Like, I don't know what the rates are.
Especially on LinkedIn, I get so many LinkedIn like messages about like speaking or like but people want to come up with like.
Eddie baby, look at you. Yeah. Gabby baby. Yeah, Cam. Yeah. Addy babies! Addy babies! Addy babies! Addy babies! Cam, what you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Gabby! Gabby! Addy baby! I see you! You stink. Did you poop again? Addy babies, I see you. Addy babies, I see you. Uh-oh, no. Close it. Close it. Cam. I poop again. Stop.
It's like there's too much face. There's too much face.
I didn't say that. Back up. Your face was too much.
Okay.
Lawrence. All right.
You don't run.
Lawrence, we're not seeing you.
You know what I said? People thought I was joking.
Video.
I'm just too tired.
Is it a video? Is it a video or
Yeah,
a picture?
it's a video.
What words? All right.
Oh, it's a video.
It's got words.
I know. Does everyone have a toast stick?
The kid.
Oh wait, okay. Just let everybody know.
Cry.
Sorry, I can't promise that.
She's not gonna cry.
Wait, you're gonna cry?
Then you don't know if you
She's not gonna
Okay. Wait, let me just get a tissue now.
If he's not gonna cry.
She's already crying.
Alright, let me just go ahead and say this. Yeah, babe. Alright, okay, so just say. Let's just say this. So, alright.
No,
so,
wait.
Alright, let me say some words because you're about to like F it up. So go ahead. Speak. Alright, so
Okay.
welcome to my home, guys.
Thank you.
And I'm going to allow my beautiful sister here say some beautiful words to this beautiful people to my left. Take it over.
Okay.
Don't cry.
I can't promise that. Okay, I'm just gonna if anyone wants to talk first, let me get myself together.
Alright, let me talk.
Let me get into the frame.
Get in, man. Get in here, my beautiful wife. So, alright, so if you guys know anything about me and my household, we're all about love.
Okay.
We're all about like just that connection, relationship, and building something. You know, and I think anybody who knows my story with my wife, we know like it was a journey, but like this was like a connection like no other, and I knew that I wanted to build something with her. And I always encourage people that whenever you want to go on that journey with somebody, make sure you find that person that you want to build and go on that journey with. Because it's once all that lovey-dovey, the glitz and glamour of that moment goes away, then you have work to do. Make sure you are willing to do the work with this person. When you guys look at each other, understand that this is like, no take backs. You know what I mean? This is like, I'm going in and I'm going into this fight with you, I'm going into the journey with you, I'm going to build with you, I'm going to have this beautiful, amazing life with you. We're going to cry, we're going to laugh, hopefully more laughs than cries, right? So as you guys are going to start this journey together, my prayer for you guys is that you guys truly build a loving household, build a loving relationship. When God blesses you guys with children, you guys just continue instilling in them this love, happiness, grow together. She's gonna piss you off a lot. I can guarantee you that.
Never happens in our house.
She's gonna piss you off a lot.
Not in my
But
house.
one thing I know is that no matter how much we go into those moments, I always remind myself that, man, this, like, my life without this woman is nothing. Like, she is the source of a lot of my happiness. She's the source of, like, my joy. I can't think of a day without this lady in my life. So understand that despite, even though you go through the tough times or great times, make sure that you keep the main thing the main thing. Our former, we love her. You know, she is, you know, somebody that we care about a lot. Ken, as we've met you now, you know, we love you too, and we pray that this union is going to be blessed, and you guys are going to have a successful union together. Thank you for at least sharing this moment with us,
Amen.
you know, and I pray that you guys have success in everything you do. All right?
That was a well-deserved speech.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah, I still have words.
So, if
you
you
have
please don't cry.
Cheers. I can't promise that.
Cheers.
Cheers. Okay. So going off what Lawrence was talking about.
You're just like mom.
Make it short.
Right?
No, make it short.
Hold on, just like going off what Lawrence was
Make it
talking
short.
about.
You're out of the camera.
Marriage is fun. It's fun. It's exciting. It's like being a summer party with your best friend. I don't know.
Come stand.
You said a summer party?
Slumber party with your best friend. Okay, every day. Okay, every day.
You have a speech.
As Lauren said, there'll be times when you don't like your partner, because there's many times when I do not like her. But I'll always love him because he's my other half. But there will be days that you don't like the person, and that's okay. And it's okay to go to bed angry.
Yes.
It's okay. It's okay to go to bed because in the night you think about things and things are better. Yeah, you did? Yeah, and things will be better next morning. Apoma is just like a sister. Oninia is just like a sister. Like, we have a lot of cousins, but there's groups of us that are very close, and we've traveled the world together. So she's like my sister. Oninia's like my sister. Okay. I'm so happy for you. I know that things that we've talked about in the past, and I promised you that when you got to this point you would be so happy. I promised you that, and I know you're so happy, and I know that you'll be happy forever. Okay? And I can't wait to all the things that we will get to celebrate together, planning the wedding and all that stuff like that. So I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you, Ken, and I can't wait to see you guys just be everything. And I'm so happy for you.
Who has those tissues?
Yeah, I know, right?
She has the tissues. She has
for my crying too.
She has the tissues.
No, for my nah, bro, it's been a journey. It's been a journey.
It's been a journey.
You know, the first question I asked her for after they proposed is, "Are you happy?" And she was like, "I'm proud of you." You brought so much happiness.
You know, real talk, I've not seen her.
And keep, bro, keep that, keep her happy.
Yeah.
You know, like you will have a happy life if you keep her happy.
Yeah.
You know, when she gets into a mood, just keep her happy.
Even if you don't cry yet.
Just
if you don't cry.
Once it's done, so I want to hear from Onyinye. I want like 1 or 2 words. No, just in this moment though. We hear that. But I just want to hear. I value your.
How does it feel? This is your twin. Your roommate.
So,
your roommate.
You know, so let's hear it like, 1 minute. Your bum rate.
You think you guys don't want to see me cry?
So,
Oh, we would love to see you cry. No, we would love to see you
Like, I
cry.
feel like there's the wedding, which is for them.
Yeah.
But there's this moment
Yeah.
that I want to share here with you.
Cause after this moment, when the moms get involved, shit goes.
It's a different ballgame.
It's just annoying.
So I want to hear that honest.
Yes, it's
Just
okay to
moment.
cry.
I don't know.
When you drop it,
Yeah, drop it.
I don't know. It's like I'm giving my other half. So it's different. But I've never been happier for her. So Ken, you better step up, man.
Yeah, we're all watching you.
Act right, or you'll
When you're sleeping, we're watching you.
I would kill for her.
y'all about to make me start crying too.
This is. Yeah.
Yeah.
She's my womb mate. Yeah. I sent her into the world to check it out for me.
Make sure you see guys like, make sure.
She went out to make sure it was safe.
Yes.
This one.
Let's only finish.
And she's been taking care of you ever since.
Yes, she has.
She really has.
She has.
I've done her.
She really has.
So it's. I don't know. I would fight people. I would kill for this person. So just take care of her.
Yeah.
Honestly, even when I was in Louisville and she moved into her new place, I was just worried about her. You know?
She really is.
Even though we're twins, I've always been the person to protect her. So
It's your turn now.
I know.
yeah.
I've noticed even going down the street, just like holding her like a little kid. Don't worry.
Yeah. And I'm gonna get annoyed.
And
but
she hates it.
she'll
She's
deal
like,
with
she's
it.
like, I know. A year ago, from my watch house, she's like, I know how to cross.
That's just who I am. Yeah. You know, even with my mom, with everybody.
Yeah, and like we've all been like just watching her.
Yeah.
I'm talking to you. We've all been watching her and waiting for this time. Like we've all been so like anxious and excited. So this is like a big day for us.
It is.
A very big thing for us. So.
Let me add some pressure. No pressure. This is on an honest beat. Like, you know, we've always been wanted to see who she finally picks, right? And it was very important that it was organic.
Yes.
I know it was important to her that it was organic, not hey, meet this person or meet, it was just an organic thing. But even for us, you know, I think we were just observing like, all right, how is this guy gonna even like blend in?
Yeah.
What's the vibe gonna be like? Cause bro, we've met people who you just are looking at this person like, why are you here?
Yeah.
You know? And I'm gonna give you credit that it was effortless.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
And that's very important, you know. So kudos, you know, keep that up, you know. I like seeing her around you, you know. Just make us happy, make her proud, keep her happy. When she's happy, we're happy. Like my mother-in-law would tell me, my only job is to take care of her. Right?
The only job.
Yeah, my only job. Like I can, you know, as long as I'm doing right by her, she's happy. Yeah. So as long as you're doing right by her.
And we're the family that like, you know, like we're happy when everybody else is happy. You know, there's families where like they're jealous of other people and they're like, oh, she's
your success, your happiness is all like
it makes because we can't enjoy our success unless you are there to enjoy with us. You know, it's not fun. You know, so.
One thing I'll say about the marriage process is that don't take it too seriously all the time. One thing I enjoyed about our wedding is that during the ceremony we had to really like hold our hands tightly to stop ourselves from laughing the entire time because we were having fun.
Just enjoying.
We were having so much fun. Oh, because we're in church. on the stage, everyone was staring at us, and we were trying not to laugh the whole time. Like I never felt scared. I never felt unsure of my decisions because I knew that, okay, this man that came into my life is the person I'm supposed to marry. And once I made that decision, everything else, even if the whole church burned down, I still know that I'm good because I have him. So don't take it so seriously. It doesn't have to be all about that one day. It's all about a lifetime together.
That one day will be so fast that it's like, you don't need, like, you'll be watching your wedding from videos because you don't remember.
That's what we were saying. I don't actually remember the wedding from my perspective that day. I remember it from the videos. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. But also do the wedding of your dreams because you just do it once. Yeah. So just do it. If it's your dream, just do it. Yeah. That's the key.
Your dream. Your dream. At the end of the day, everybody will go home and forget about your wedding, but you are still with you, like you're still holding on to that day. So make the wedding of your dreams.
I also want to say thanks, Uni, for sharing.
Yes. Yes. Thank you for coming too.
Nah, ask my wife. It was important that Uni was going to be here.
Yes.
I was like, where's Uni? She says, no, I'm going to go bring up my son. You know, so I'm glad you guys are in my home.
Thank you. Thank you
for having us here. Feel comfortable. Yeah.
So may God bless you guys. May God keep you guys. May God protect you guys.
Thank you.
Let's cut.
Amen. Guys, beautiful speeches. Everybody.
Wait, what do we need?
A knife, please.
That's a spoon. Can you cover the spoon?
Ify, Onion, you guys almost, made me cry. But I held it together.
Save your tears for the wedding day. Actually, it's a good thing you didn't cry because Lawrence gets weird when people cry.
I get weird when people cry too, but I held it together.
Lawrence just doesn't know how to deal with a lot of emotion. We're still working on it.
I'm like, what is
wait, I forget what
how can I avoid
it? About me?
No.
Not about emotions.
No,
the same thing. It's like Lawrence does not deal with emotions. Same here.
Okay.
Can you just turn your head and...
I don't think you're cold and heartless.
No, I'm not cold and heartless, but I just...
He's working. He's better though.
What should I do?
He'll give you tips and tricks.
Alright, can you support?
Yeah, we gotta cut it together.
This is practice.
Wait, how do I do a new one?
Were you recording this whole thing?
Put your hand on top.
I don't know.
There you go.
Get it together, guys. Ready?
I think it's supposed to be like this, right? Alright, you guys ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
Yeah. So forever.
That's forever. Such a weak
Yay, cake time.
Ghana boy say he want marry me. I hope says I be cuckoo watch you. Hope your love goes sweet past the shit oh. Baby boy they say he think my body is a killer oh. I hope says I be cuckoo watch you. Hope his love goes sweet past the shit oh. Oh yeah man forget your bia. Me say forget your bia. Oh yeah man what be the matter? Me say what be the matter? Oh yeah man forget your bia. Me say forget your bia. Oh yeah, what be the matter? What be the matter? Don't think say the world that revolve around your bum bum. Don't think say the world that revolve around your bum bum. Don't think say the world that rotate around your bum bum. Hey, hold up, hold up, hold up. Baby boy, you better. The way you're mine, oh, I demand over you, boy. I demand over you, boy. Say I'm your woman, eh? Your superwoman. I demand over you, boy. You demand over me, oh. Let me know, let me know, let me know if I'm more than just a friend to you. More than just a friend to you. Make a note, make a note, make a note. Cause you know, say how to try.